It's the lady at 46 South Road. 46 South Road.
Open up, police.
Is there a problem here?
Ma'am, I heard you guys having a disturbance. Are you guys throwing a legal party in here?
No, we're just having fun with a little boy.
Well, we just got a call. Y'all gotta shut the place down.
Shut it down now.
Shut it down.
Shut it down.
Oh, my boy, little boy. What's up?
Boy.
How you doing, man? I'm a big fan of you, man.